Hello, Linda here. Today I just wanted to share my process of making my Junk Journal January journal. Meg Journals is the one that hosts Junk Journal January and Junk Journal July, and I decided to use this scrap piece of leather that has been covered with some watercolor paper, and you can see that it was something that I started in the past but never finished, and so I thought I would just use it for my junk journal this coming July for 2023. So you can see it's just a piece of leather cut to size. This is A5 sized journal. Just regular glued onto some watercolor sketchbook paper to make it more rigid so that it's more sturdy as a cover. And I'm just going to show you the whole process in real time so you can see that it doesn't take long to make yourself a junk journal. Here I have a printer paper where I have printed borderless pattern paper designs on the front, and then I would put it back in my printer and print another pattern paper design on the other side. So I just get my own set of pattern papers to use in my junk journal. And of course you can use ready-made items and, quote-unquote junk mail and things like that, but it's nice to print some pattern paper as well. I have plenty that are available for free download on my blog, tortagialla.com, or you can visit my Ko-fi page and support my design work there, where I give you a pack of digital papers to download every single month. And if you join in, you can check out the archives and download a bunch of papers as well. So I'm just going to go through and basically ruffle through like all the papers that I have in my stash, choose a bunch that I want to use in my junk journal, and I'm roughly counting so that I have enough pages for like the 31 days of January. And I'm just going to bind it together in a very simple like pamphlet stitch type of binding. Super, super simple, where you just like punch 3 holes, string through the string, and tie a knot. So there's basically nothing complicated about this whole process. It's really just sort of relaxing and fun to come up with like a bunch of papers that you want to use and put them together in a journal that you will finish in the month of January. So you can use magazine papers, envelopes, scrap papers of any kind, pattern paper, scrapbook paper, and they also don't have to be the same size as long as you can bind them together. So, whatever size it is, you can fold it in half and put it all together, then it's fine. So you will see that throughout my process, I include a whole bunch of different kinds of papers. So I'm just going to let you see the process in real time here. Enjoy. you.